59th Street Penthouse, New York City, New York, USA. Mojo Stumer Associates, PC. Floor area, 420 square meters, 4,500 square feet. Program, renovation of an existing penthouse apartment. Ceiling heights, 4.2 meters, 14 feet. Rooms, 2 bedrooms with full baths, kitchen, formal living, den, powder room, 2 office suites, casual dining and large entry foyer. Anyone in the design industry knows how difficult it can be to deal with clients when their taste level exceeds their budget or when their budget exceeds their taste level. It can be a challenge to meet in the middle in either direction. However, when the stars align, budget and taste are in harmony, c'est magnifique. The team of designers and architects on this residence were incredibly lucky to work with these clients. They had impeccable taste and total trust in their team. The result was sheer perfection. Although the footprint of this penthouse provided many options for delineating the space, a free-flowing floor plan was decided on, moving away from the segregated spaces of the original layout. The clients wanted the apartment to be able to accommodate their formal Broadway show premiere functions as well as provide a relaxed living environment. To meet this need, movable wall partitions of glass and stainless steel were incorporated to create separate spaces when required. It was also important that each new element complemented the sweeping, floor-to-ceiling, 360-degree Manhattan views. From the bathrooms to the bedrooms, this was of fundamental importance. The interior detailing is sleek and contemporary without sacrificing comfort. The clients wanted the very best quality hard materials and the latest designs the world had to offer in furniture and soft materials. The material palette is thus a combination of many striking elements, including Makassar ebony, Dupioni silk, alpaca wool, lima limestone, shagreen and basalt. These materials combine with the grand architecture and beautiful craftsmanship in symphonic style. Grand architecture and beautiful craftsmanship, a symphony of success is all coming together to fulfill our clients' every wish.
Subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates on more projects. Thanks as always. See you in the next video.